Sanibonani, Nonto R. Magaboy one-show mhla 14 February eSuncoast Globe. Inkulumo yanamhlanje ithi-ke, ngaphandle kwalokho okungesikhona, lokho okuyikhona ngeke kuzazi ukuthi kuyikhona. Hayibo, ithini le ngane? Ngaphandle kobumnyama ngabe asikwazi ukukhanya. Ngaphandle kokubi ngabe asikwazi okuhle. Ngaphandle komona mhlawumbe abanye benu ngabe abayazi i-success. Ngaphandle kwe-resistance ngaba siyazi i-perseverance. Khona usisi engake ngambona lana ebiza, calling out one of her teachers from high school. Ethi bizani uMiss Banibani azongibona ukuthi la magama ayewasho ukuthi I was never gonna amount to anything, ahambe angifikisaphi. Wathi today I'm a lawyer. She was on her way to court efake izinto zakhona-ke, amajazi akhona ukuba ummeli. And I laughed because amagama kathisha iwona amenza ukuthi abe nentshisekelo to prove the teacher wrong. So mhlambe the people that are trying to hold us back, people that are trying to close the doors in our faces mangabe sizama, akufanele ukuthi sibazonde labo bantu ngoba ibona abasisizayo ukuthi ucabanga ukuthini? Ngibukela phansi. Othi ngimpruvele ukuthi I can do this mina, and guess what? You are now a success because of those very people. So iBhayibheli mangabe lithi konke kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle, it really means that everything works out for the best. Everything, your tears, your heartache, your struggles, they all work out for the best. Khuthazeka-ke nje, ukhuthazeke, urelax and just know ukuthi God has got your back. Ngeke akuleave or forsake you.